Guys, how are you? How is everyone doing today? And I'm gonna prepare right now my live stream and share it in Discord. Always scalping, always trading, always here every day, and let's prepare it. First of all, I need to share the live stream in Discord. So that's my first step to do. That's the only things I have to do right now is tag everyone live stream on. And then who is here already? Who's here already? Hope, what's up? Hope, Muhammad, Paul is here as well. Good morning, Mufti as well. Morning, guys. How are you? How are you, everyone? Christina, what's up? What's up? How are you? I hear something from the window. Guys, look at the look at the new here. Yes, welcome. Where are you from, Christina? Paul is back, guys. Paul is back. He had his break. He had his moment from Spain. Are you not from Ibiza? Christina. We have to check the market on the daily chart here, guys. Market freaking flying away. We're on all-time highs from pre-market. Insanity. By the way, I saw your video, your trades yesterday, Mufti. What did you take and everything? Absolutely insane, right? Yesterday we scalped the shit out of this, closed in break-even. All that effort for a break-even day, but it's totally worth it. You know, it was not an easy day to trade, to apply stuff. So it was insane. And you went long here, then you went long here, then you went added here, and then it skyrocketed at the end. Like 7 minutes, 8 minutes before closing market. I mean, here you were like sweating your life. And here you were like the most excited man in the world. And look at the market after that, man. Freaking skyrocket, and now, wow. Insane. We're at all-time highs. We're just flying in all-time highs. It's insane. You traded London session. Maybe that is your field there. London session time. Guys, we're just flying. Market is an all-time highs, and it's keep going. Like these days has been. But I don't care if the market is all-time highs. I do care if that's shit like yesterday, like where Mufti the cat lose a few years of his life just. So what I have to open here? World charts. Christina from Spain. I was gonna guess it was one of my friend from Ibiza. Then probably not. Market. Whoa, guys, we're just flying. We're just flying. It's absolutely insane. I have to put an order there to check if everything is working correctly, and it does. We're out from this. Then I'm gonna put free contracts and look for 39 ticks as start. We are in Valencia, guys, by the way. We are in Valencia. So we're outside Ibiza, and we're gonna be here in Valencia until Sunday. After Sunday, I don't know. I'm like doubting you're from Valencia because I'm here, and only a few people know that I'm here. That's quite too much matching there. Do you know GPS Trader? GPSO trader, GPSO trader, GPCO trader, GPC. No, I don't know him. Or maybe I know him. What the heck? I don't know him. I don't think I know him. No. George Lopez. Good morning, Abdel. I'm just waiting for this market to pull back. So give us a pullback. Give us this pre-market high here on the left side. Give us this 600, 620s as well. Even 620s can be. 600s, 600 will be the best level to scalp. We are just above the opening print level, so that would be the best. We are 2062, guys. We're increasing. We're getting more people in the YouTube challenge. We have to increase the live, but unfortunately, the live in the last 3 weeks was not the best. I was losing frames every time, and I think YouTube was like just ranking it down. But now, right now, even what I understood when you live stream is that you can have a great Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi there in Ibiza was good, but it was up and down. So, but for example, here the upload is not that even great. It's like 8 megabits, but it's always 8 megabits. It makes a big difference. Mufti, are you already in a trade? Because probably you're long. Afonso is long. Paul, I don't know how he trades. I don't remember. I mean, maybe he changed. I wish. Guys, something is happening here. I'm like hearing boom, like a sound that something is like bumping on the window. Who's that? I don't know. I don't have anyone in my room, guys. I don't have anyone in my room. See, no one. No one. I'm here. I think the bit rate is also important. It's better to have a lower one so it doesn't lag, I think. Yes, now I put it like to okay bit rate at 7,000, I think I put it, and was fine. But when I was live streaming in France or stuff like that, I was always live streaming at like even 10,000 bit rate higher. I can put it back higher. Let me put it back higher. I can put it back at 8.5. Let's see. If I see that it's having some problems, I will just reduce it, but I'm looking for a scalp long, but look, I just need some time. Paul, are you back trading, or for the moment you're watching? By the way, my computer right now is like an helicopter. Soon it's gonna fly. So freaking hot. But it's dying right now. It's really dying. What do we have here running? Omoro made his money. Target 500. That's what. Griffon, great work. Proper personal. Blah blah blah. I was reading the T4 chat. The Discord chat. Put some cold water in it, right? That's how it works. Put some cold water and everything is gonna be fine. I want just a pullback. Opening pullbacks at, look at ES. We're not even in all-time highs in ES. I'm chill. No, there is no need. I don't want to rush scalps. Yesterday I scalped too much. Yesterday I really scalped too much. That's it. That's the way, man. That's the way, Paul. Trading one account and another could be activity. I just try to slow down more, just as you said in the video. If you can't manage one account, there is no need for 20. Yes, if you cannot manage one account, why are you leveraging your expenses, right? It's like, let's give it an example, a real life example. It's like, even just a simple running example. Now you have you wanna run ultra marathons, but you're not even able to run 1 kilometer. And what are you gonna do? Keep just registering to ultra marathon? Is a good chance that registering each time to ultra marathon, at the end of the time you're gonna manage to close and finish an ultra marathon. So in a way of trading, be profitable. But you're just spent a lot of money for this ultra marathon, and second, spent a lot of mental energy. So it kind of sucks. But if you do 1 kilometer for run, then you register to the 5 kilometer for run, then you register to the 10 kilometer for run, then you register to the 20 kilometer for run, step by step, you keep improving on it. That's the way you get in. Guys, we're getting a nice pullback. We're getting a nice pullback here. 620 are here. Looking at ES, very strong ES. No, very strong. I mean, say less strong than NQ. You see, if it's 620 wants to get retested. And it's coming to the 20s. ES is breaking the lows there. I'm just gonna wait to see what ES wants to do there at the lows. The 610 and 600 will be my best place. It has room to 660. I love that. I love to see that. I love to hear that. I'm looking at just the ES on the left side. In 17 minutes, okay, a lot of time for my scalp to work, 17 minutes. But thank you, Mohammed. That's a good reminder because I forget these things. I'm just looking at ES on the left side to decide if I'm gonna enter long. "24 seconds, we're closing the candle very soon of these 3 minutes. Then we're gonna move, good chance we're gonna move then to the lows. Let's see. I'm long now, Paul. Good luck, my friend. Good luck with your trade. Wish you the best. Wish you the best. Nice to see you long. I'm thinking about long as well. I'm only long bias right now. Ah, yeah, you were short the type. Yeah, it's true. It's true. He was shorting a lot. I forgot about that. It was shorting. It was making money at the time. When Trump was in power and everything was crazy up and down, he was making his bucks. But then, of course, You have some periods where this does not work anymore and you're like, okay, how can I adapt? It's the hardest things to do. One of the hardest things to do. I'm looking at the market at ES on the left side. Is it gonna hold these lows? Or is just playing there? I'm thinking if it was gonna take this low, then it was different for me. But see, it's coming down even more. It's trying to get there. At 600 for sure, I will look for a long at 600 for a scalp. $610 there. I'm so hungry, by the way. After this, I'm gonna go and work in a coffee place, have some food. ES wants to break the lows, it looks like that. Wants to come to the low. Is it gonna do it, or is faking the lows? That's just evaluating that for this quick scalp long. Let's see. I don't know, this looks weak. I'm just waiting on this ES side here. Look at that. We didn't take these lows, so I'm like, come on, take these lows and then we figure it out what we can do. But if you don't take the low, it's a bit hard. Okay, now it's doing it. Now it's coming for the lows. Yes, there. Yes, for the lows there. It's coming for the lows. Yes. I'm gonna definitely try the 600 as a scalp. It's a bit aggressive, but let's see. Okay, I did not get filled. Stop loss 600. 600 is my entry. I did not get filled. That's, by the way, this is a huge V reversal here. Huge. And I'm looking just for a scalp. Is this gonna get us to 600s? Hopefully, yes. I think it's gonna get us. I'm just looking. Can we get the 600 for a quick scalp? It's gonna get, okay, we're in right now, long for a quick scalp on the 600s. I'm gonna call myself out below this candle here at 585. If it comes back 585 below the opening print level, I'm out. And it looks like that. Ooh, oh, I'm already losing some candles there. Okay, I'm out. Wow, that was quick, guys. I'm gonna call myself out. I have time to get back on the money and recoup. $88 is fine. Oh, that was a great loss. Destroyed in no time. Destroyed in no time. Wow, I'm getting some delays right now. It's not on the line. Okay. That was quick. That was quick. Great, quick loss. Call the loss there. Let's wait a little bit. We can recoup the loss in no problems. Yeah, that was quick. Huh? 600 did not do anything. Opening print level did not do anything. Literally anything. It's just this market decided to be like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. So we're breaking the lows right now. Okay. Wow. This was a really big reversal. I wasn't there for a sell. I hope did you take this sell? I mean, you're making the right choices there. I'm happy that I'm down only $88. That's fine. Ultra small loss, stop loss. Yeah. Yo, that's stop loss. Made some backward. Okay, that's great. I mean, now this thing it's looking just. Let me see the daily hour. Oof, oh my God. Rejecting these all-time highs. That's quite intense. You want to work for a prop firm? Any position, or you like looking for something specific? Yeah, that's what Jose said. Apply. Apply, apply, apply. Don't be scared to apply, to send CVs. Don't be scared. Your life is so close, can be changed by such a small action. Small action that many people will say it's luck, you got lucky. But in reality, you spend time, you created a CV, you send the CV, and now you got your job position. I sent my CV in a Discord chat because I saw a guy asking the moderator, oh, are you looking for developers? And I was like, you know what, I have nothing to lose. And let me text as well. And my life in 1 year changed so much for a freaking message in Discord. Insane. News in 7 minutes, I believe. Yes, consumer confidence and job openings at 10 a.m. That's some price action there, guys. What is the NQ, not NQ range, I want to say 50 minutes range. What's the 50 minutes range, guys? This one here, okay. So this is the 50 minutes range. We are totally outside the 50 minutes range, okay. Report at 10, Omar, yes. 6 minutes, even less, 5 minutes. 6 minutes. Long if it comes back at 65. If it comes back to 65. Now I'm waiting. I'm probably gonna wait for the news, even if it. I really know, you know, the 9:45, 10 a.m. news always are they're a bit tricky. But this is job openings, consumer confidence. Right? It should do something. It should do something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, 1 minute, no, still 5 minutes, still 4 minutes here, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. This 580 can be interesting for a quick rejection, a quick scalp. I can risk it in 4 minutes. Still good chance it can come back lower. But just gonna wait. Gonna just wait. Even if it looks amazing. The 580 was my idea of short there, but Let's just wait for the news. And then we figure it out. Then we take 80. Honestly, look at that. I went long, I call myself out, and you see it. Like I say every time. I do sometimes DCA and stuff like that. But then, for example, here, I would have done this DCA, for example, if I enter 610, 600, and I would be like, I'm out here. In this case, because I had a correct at least rate of waiting, I entered at 600 and I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna DCA anymore here. I'm already outside the 15 minutes range, low of the opening session. I'm not gonna add on a short, on something that is looking very shorty. You're done for the day. Good job, Roshik. I hope in a green PNL, but I hope in a good execution day. Process is winning, guys. I did right at the bottom. Blah. I love that, man. I love that. Can we make some money today? Oh, wow, wow, wow. We are getting again some shitty spikes like yesterday, and the news still did not come out. The news still did not come out. Are we gonna get, oh my God, I don't like that. By the way, so funny things, guys, is that yesterday, spike happened only in MNQ, it did not happen in NQ. Did you know about that? Because if I go to NQ here on the left side, and we go to yesterday, and we go and we try to match the two charts. This is both 3 minutes chart. You see, spike here. Wait, I'm gonna fit 39. This is 40. Yeah, this is 48. At 48, there is no spike. This is the candle. There is no spike that comes down. And this one instead, yes, at 21, it matches. But this one at 48, that Mufti the cat got stopped out. Never happened in NQ. Yeah, only an MNQ, yeah. They're coming after you, man. Yeah, you were trading NQ, yeah, right? Because I spoke with my friends after, with my colleagues, and I was like, yo, guys, today price action was brutal. And I was like, what the heck is this? So I was like, and they told me, no, that's how happened only in MNQ. I was like, wow. Brutal twice then. That's brutal twice. It's even worse. So news in 30 seconds out, and it will decide my idea of the scalps. If we come back lower, then it's going to be scalp to the lower side. If it comes back above the opening print level, it's going to be scalps to the higher side, to the long. And we're going to know it in 15 seconds, guys. 15 seconds. Morning, Tomato. How are you, man? I hope you're doing good, and I hope you're good, man. Brutal morning. You see that? Long and freaking short, man. Long and freaking short right away. That news is out. That's a very bad candle there appearing. Wait a second for the market to take the news. I have some hair here that is bothering me so much. News is not doing anything special there. I might start honestly looking for shorts. We didn't come back even above these 597, 600s. I don't know. Let's see. Let's give it a second to decide. Brutal morning. Both, yeah, both for me it's a bit complicated right now to say, because in the hour chart I have a retest of this level, so it's kind of retesting right now. So it's holding this area. So shorting right now it's a bit of a tricky thing because it's still holding this 580 area. If you come back slower around here, then it's not holding anything anymore. So maybe I can start anyway, start to scalp it and see what we get. Let's try it. Let's try a scalp on the short there, 580 if I get filled. And I will be out above 600. If I get filled, of course. Of course, I don't get filled. Up $17 after being down 300. Good job on that. Because always, brother, remember, there's always one thing. Process is winning. Process is winning. Profit is not winning. Process is winning. Profit is not winning. Process is winning. Okay, we're gonna get probably filled on this next candle, I'm gonna say. So we're closing the candle now. Hopefully, I mean, that's my idea of hope. Okay. Okay, my idea of short, of course, went to the freaking nowhere. And I'm gonna look for the short of 700. I will be aggressive on the short. Okay. When I want to short, it does not give me the short. Thank you, market. Thank you for being so nice with me. Thank you for being the best. My stop loss is 90. You were short. Good job, man. Very good job. That's hard to see. Ah, no worries. I'm ready to short again. It's gonna break, and then we will see. We're short. Oh, what free? Ah, free contracts, yeah. We're out. Short again the 70s if it come back. Short again. Just want the lows to be breaking. I just want the lows to be destroyed. Neither an NQ has been taking the low, so we'll short again the 70s. $306 on the day. Good job, man. This is real money, yeah? On that account is real money. Make it feel real. That's one of the second advice I gave in the video I published yesterday. When you get to payout, do you still use the heat maps? Not me, Mufti does. Mufti does, I don't. I don't use the heat map. We're out. I mean, we're gonna show the 70s if it's happening again. Bombs away. Let's make it happen. About to go lower. Yeah, if it still does not go lower, I'm gonna short again these freaking 70s. Okay, it went lower, so we see the next level, but we're back in green, I believe. So we're green on the day. By the way, what I really like what we are doing, guys, is that yes, we have an idea of bias. Okay, like for example, here we look for longs because the market is strong, but the moment we see this market is coming back, not holding certain levels, we look for shorts. We adapt. Okay, we adapt. And it's very important because you figure it out. That means you're able to accept losses. The moment you are as well able to trigger your brain to move from a bias long to a bias short, that's not easy to do, eh? Falla, what? It's been a long time, man. Falla, welcome back. I'm gonna wait now to short because we've taken this low. But for me, until we're not above opening print level, it's still, if we are above opening print level, guys, I'm gonna look for longs. Okay, no panic, Mufti, no panic. Okay, done for the day, okay. Yeah, don't stress yourself on that. Your risk management is insane good. Yeah, like Tomato said, you're freaking good at that. See you tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Don't stress yourself on it. Some days are good, some days are bad. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Now, right now we are making some buying candle there, but let's give a lot of hearts for Mufti. Freaking hell. How can I put a heart? Okay, sorry. I don't have. Where is the freaking emoticon for the heart? Okay, I'm gonna send you the wedding ring. Same things. It's love. Cannot find the freaking emoticon. I will take a buy. Where you take profit? Here. I mean, it can work, huh? It can work definitely. I'm out of it. I'm just looking what wants the market to do around this area here. So this area is 50 minutes here. We retested and rejected the 50 minutes range. You can see it. Maybe I should put these things a bit bigger. Yeah, I should do something like that because you can see it. Okay, what the heck are you saying? So something like that. That is the 50 minutes range. So that was rejected. And right now we took the lows. If it comes back and start to hold the 50 minutes range and the opening print level, I'm long. Yeah, 5 minutes doesn't look great for longs when you look at the 5 minutes. But then when I look at the hour chart, the hour chart is beautiful, still break retesting. So if I go to the 1 hour chart here, that's a beautiful break retest of this area here. So still break retesting it, still fighting if this might be the bounce. But the fact that we made a huge wick here on this candle, that's a bit discouraging for the longs, I guess. If I have to bet on something, I'm gonna still bet on short, because that was the retest. We went higher, we come back. So I still like the short idea. Yeah, I'm just waiting to see. I have the mouse there ready for the 80s again. But if we see this skyrocketing above the opening print level and inside the 50 minutes range, then we look at we start to look at only longs. Only longs. How many people we are today? 18. We reached 20 people, I think. That's good. We're coming back. We're coming back. We're coming back on the amount of people in the live stream. By the way, I think today is the last day of the 90% off, guys. Code Hamza as always. Appreciate each one of you that uses my code. Thank you a lot. And yeah, and if you don't use Apex, I don't give a damn shit. You can be here and you're welcome. And I don't have view up. I'm still looking for shorts somehow. Still like slightly, I'm still short bias here. I give it a shot. Just trying to read a little bit these candles. What they're telling me. Candles tell me something. Are you gonna skyrocket? Closing candles, they're closing very soon. You're going to get now, you don't get more evaluation. You don't get more evaluations. But I appreciate you. You are not allowed to get more evaluations. I guess I'm gonna put the order there. And of course, I put the order a bit too late. Hello, as always. Right, on the first hour, I'm looking for 10 points. 10 points is good. Then when I see that maybe it's decreasing, I can decrease to 7 to 6 points. Just looking at what is the best amount of points that will not be too much. Yeah, it's right now I'm looking. Look at this ES on the left side, holding. It comes bouncing, consolidate. He's trying to push a little bit more. This can be his second leg. Be done at not that much. So we still can. Still, maybe this is just come back to take these highs and come back. Very shitty price action. Upside down head and shoulder. The heck, you see the upside down head and shoulder? So yeah, it's maybe here, you mean? Where is the plateau? Where is the plateau? On the 1 minute. Ah, 1 minute is a bit... I almost put an order. So left. Oh no, upside down. One sheet, boom, plateau. So plateau at 500 here. Yeah, I see. I see what you mean here. I see what you mean. It's holding here. 570, good point. I mean, my 580 would have been perfect, to be honest. Freaking hell. Oh, I was short 75, but you're out. It's great, man. Great anyway. I think you did a good day, no? Right? A good day in means of process, not PNL based answer. We're coming down. We're coming down. We're gonna again show the 70s. We're gonna short again the 70s, guys. The 80s are gone for us at least, and the 60s are there already. Wow, that was quick. I might not gonna give us a fill, but let's put the order. Good chance it's not gonna fill us, but wow, that's coming there. Okay, that's interesting. It's gonna break lower without us. Good chance. It's trying to do it right now on the 60s there. I'm so sleepy, guys. I just want a freaking coffee. We're coming back. I want to get filled at 70s again. If it wants to do it, right now it does not look that much. Lots of news and earnings, yes. In these days, yes. That's true. A lot of earnings. So not easy period, to be honest. Right now I missed that 80s there. The 80s were a good short here. Now we're gonna get filled at the 70s. And we did not get filled at the 70s. Gotta get ready for work. See you, Tomato. Thank you so much for coming. As always, man. Thank you so much for coming. We're short, guys. Wish you the best. The 80s look good. Hopefully this candle is not a pushing candle. That will be very unfortunately if it's a pushing candle. Hopefully not. Okay, come on. Now turn back. We need this candle to not close strong. A la mañana. A la mañana, mi amigo. Mi hermano. Can we get this short? Nice. Get to the 60s. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're already out. The 70s today are the perfect number for us. 3 scalps on the 70s. The perfect number there. 70s. What a sexy number. 70s is the number for us. Thank you, Tomato. Have a beautiful day, yeah? Have a beautiful day at work. Sometimes I really miss some scalps. Okay, here was news, I believe, so I didn't take anything. But 80s here, the one that's 80s, freaking hell, Hamza. 80s, we come back, pushed again. Mohammed, yes, I'm changing it. I mean, and this is not really official, but I'm loving it. I have the same kind of read I had before. So liquidity grab, breaker retest, but I don't look for crazy take profits. I look for 10 points. I can DC a little bit, and I scalp a few times per day. And then I call it. You make in a good day, I can make $300 on a 50K account. But yeah, these last 2 days, price action was not the best. So it's already good enough that yesterday I closed the break even. Today I'm closing green. I'm closing. That's for us. That's so unlucky. I really say that. It's not yet. It's not yet. But yeah, right now I'm very focused on good trades to bring back the accounts, because you see a few 50K accounts there at 48,300 are very close to get liquidated. So I'm very concentrated on doing the right trades until we get them to back alive. Back to the 70s again. Kind of triple bottom there. Still, even with that, still fighting to get to the 70s. And this candle is closing in 26 seconds. That's looking interesting situation right now. Let's see what wants to do this 70s. That's the real question, Paul. That's the real question. When is the time you have to stop? Because you might get entry short again right now, and then the 70s never hold anymore and it skyrocket. So I'm still looking at the fact that we didn't break the previous low, and we're still very weak on the fact that we are not really bouncing strongly. Every time we bounce, a quick little bit of a green candle, it comes back. From red to green today, same. I'm just looking to get 1 or 2 more scalps if I can get them. But it's so hard to scalp when it's on the lows like that. So the 60s, for example, I would have even scalped the 60s, but then I'm looking for a take profit above outside the lows. So right now it's happening, but if I've done that, I would have stayed with a 60 here for a long time, and did not, it did maybe hit, yeah, the take profit. I'm gonna probably reduce the size, the take profit. I'm gonna go to 5 points. That makes it 19 ticks. Make it 20. And now is the question is this gonna create a real next low that is gonna just be a lower side until we come back to this really long yesterday low? Right now it's looking, it's getting weak. Look how it is weak. Come back, and every push was just weaker than the previous one. Push, weaker, 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 and bam. So right now we can see these things accelerating to the downside. Hamza, what trading strategy? I'm scalping just a few points each time when I see the direction is correct. So for example, right now I'm mostly short bias, so I will look for a level where I can short, to scalp a few points. Learning at the same time, huh? Everything transparent here. Trend trading, yes. I like to be on the trend side. I like to be on the idea of being in the direction of the market. If, for example, here I looked for long because I was like, okay, we're still pushing, we're still maybe retesting the pre-market, we're gonna get a quick scalp. It did not work out. We are totally outside the opening range range of the day. I'm out. Not gonna look for longs anymore. I'm looking for shorts. We're retesting the opening range. We are below. We're not doing. We're not bouncing strongly. So yeah. Now I can use even the 60s as a short. But I'm gonna wait for that. Long at 69, the perfect long. The perfect long at 69. Look at ES on the left side here. Trying to do something there. This candle closing in 14 seconds. Still not doing anything. One second. Candle closing now. Long at 55. 66. These numbers, 55, 66, 77, 88. It's getting some strength, seems there, guys. Watch, Paul. You do good. If you are done on the day, don't overtrade, my friend. I appreciate you for staying here, but you know you don't have to. If you're done, guys, you feel free to go. So you don't get any FOMO. You don't get anything more. You disconnect right away from this fact that you are still trading. Important. Ah, that's some rejection there. Wow, what happened there again? This market is just it's playing with your life. Wow, wow, wow. That's, yeah. Let's give it a little bit of time. This market is doing some weird stuff there. Okay, I didn't want to put that order. I didn't want to put that order. 60s. I'm gonna try to get short at the 60s there, guys. Let me see. Field short. Hamza, don't overtrade. If you saw my screen capturing Discord, you will understand. Let me see your capture screen. It's because you are short as well right now, and the market will go against you. So I should not be in a short position anymore. So much fees. Yeah, it sucks when you pay so much fees. Especially if you trade a few macro contracts, it adds up very quick. I'm still liking the short idea. So I'm gonna keep this one. Maybe we can get this scalp very quick. Let's go. That's another scalp, guys. I think we're at $100 on each account. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah, I'm not looking at the 50s, a bit too far. 5 points is great enough. Look at here, still weak. Let me remove this level. Yeah, overtrading is, it's yeah, it's a killer. Freaking killer. How many trades I've taken today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. I was expecting worse, to be honest. I was expecting worse. And I think I'm already quite happy, to be honest. I was down $88 and I'm up $100. That means I recovered almost $190 on the previous scalps. I took 3 scalps on the 70s that came out to be perfect. Literally, scalps on the 70s today were beautiful. Long here, stopped out, short out, short out, short out, short at the 60s here for 5 points, out. That's beautiful. That's freaking beautiful. Right, Paul? I think that's super important, because imagine you are that very, for example, your bias long here, then you keep buying, then okay, this is gonna go back, you keep buying, but this thing is just going lower. Yeah, I think it's one thing I think helps me a lot is that moment it breaks crucial level, like this is the low of the New York session. This is the 50 minutes range. Especially the 50 minutes range for me is like a freaking directional fix. If we are below the 50 minutes range, then I'm gonna probably just short. If we are inside the 50 minutes range, then you can try to play a retest of this 50 minutes range and up, and outside 50 minutes range, I'm looking for longs only. Push! Jose on the long side. I mean, I think it's good chance this thing is gonna bounce back. If this push is really strong, Then you can start looking for long, I think. Salam, I was wondering, do you need video editor or server creator? I'm sorry, man. For the moment, I have a video editor, but appreciate you, man. And I have to make a video to send him today and or tomorrow. But today it's gonna be impossible. I'm so dead. I wish that someone could take a video of me with my face and create videos with AI. I wish. Yeah, I'm gonna call it like that, guys. I think I'm happily done like that. $1,000 on the day. It's a great day. Yeah, let's freaking call it. There is no need to overtrade, like you said, guys. First things to say, Apex 90% is the last day, guys, today with code Hamza. It's always gonna give you always the best discount. And if it's 80%, code Hamza is gonna give you 80%. 90%, the code is gonna give you 90%. If there is no discount, it's gonna give you the best discount that's available. So whenever you think you use Apex and you want to support the channel, that's the way. And appreciate each one of you, or just coming here and watch my live stream and comment and have fun and be a family. For the rest, guys, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. See you in the Discord, and see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for everything.